So this video is about our new addition to the family. Her name is Bingo. So we finally decided to add or get another addition to our family. We felt like we needed a dog for a while now, but actually for like 2 years we thought we needed a dog. So we finally did an extensive research and just figure out what type of dog will be the perfect dog for our type of family. So we ended up purchasing a beautiful little baby puppy girl Australian Husky. Now the reason why we picked an Australian Husky because they are originally born to herd. They were the ones who herd the sheep and the cows in Australia. That's why it's called Australian Shepherd. So we are loving Bingo so far. She's actually like the most gentle, very smart dog. Like she's learning party super fast, and she's just like the greatest addition to our family. So now Sherman is like a guy of 3 girls, so he's definitely a girl dad now. Which I just think is really funny and so cute. He's been really helpful with the dog as well. He's been doing amazing even though he never had a dog before. So I'm really grateful for him. But yeah, I'm gonna put a video clip here when we brought Bingo home as a surprise for Estella, and she was so excited about it, and she immediately just named her Bingo. So that's why we decided to go with Bingo. It's a unisex name for us, and it works for us. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, I'm just gonna put everything combined: her first visit, pictures, her like adapting to her new environment, the house, absolutely everything. Okay, so I hope you guys like it, enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. So look what we got for you. So yeah guys, we are having excellent fun, like so much fun with Bingos. She is such a easy puppy, to be honest, so far. I don't know, it's because of her breed. Oh, dance. Estella loves Post Malone. Dance. You guys, look at Estella's little pull-ups. They make her butt look bigger. But yeah guys, Bingo is like the cutest little puppy ever, and we're just having so much fun with her, right mommy? Estella was crying before, that's why because Bingo wouldn't get up, so she was like, Bingo, we want to play. So far it's the greatest puppy ever. So yeah guys, I love the fact that we were able to do the research and we were able to know what type of puppy our family needs and what type of puppy we needed. And honestly, Bingo has been the best addition to our family, and I love that we picked a girl. Originally we wanted a boy, but we ended up picking a girl and just naming her Bingo. And we are so happy that we picked her. And her and Estella are actually just besties right now. They're really like the most inseparable little nuggets ever. And Bingo just loves her new environment and she feels safe in it, and it's just a great experience to have them both, you know. this is what they do all day, just play and play. It's the best thing ever. Bingo's first vet appointment, and she's just running around. She's just exploring, right, mommy? She is 9 pounds so far, so that's decent. So let's see what the doctor said. Okay, are you hiding? It's exciting. It's like bringing a child to the pediatrician, literally, but I like it.